How to delete Facebook page. Hey guys, let's get started. So first go ahead and open our Facebook application and switch to your Facebook page. Now once you're logged in or once you're switched to your page, click on the menu icon at the upper right corner. And now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Now once you've come up to the settings page, select Page Settings. And now from here again scroll down and under Facebook page information, click on Access and Control. Now click on Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Page and tap on Continue button. Now before you delete your page, Facebook will ask you to select a reason why you want to delete your page. So you can go ahead and select any one of the given reasons and select Continue. Again, scroll down and select Continue. And finally, you'll be prompted to enter your main account password. So go ahead and enter your password and click on Continue to finalize the action. That's it. Really simple, right? So this way you can delete a Facebook page. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.